Please take time to vote May 21st. The West Ada School District Supplemental Levy will be featured on the ballot and directly impacts the quality of education and safety in our district.
The replacement levy funds will sustain the salaries and benefits of 152 current teachers and the services of 19 current school resource officers.
It's important to emphasize this levy is not a new tax. It simply replaces an existing levy.
If approved, the tax will decrease by 30 cents per $100,000 of taxable assessed value.
Take a closer look and dig into the facts further yourself by visiting westdata.org/replacement levy.
We encourage all community members to mark your calendars for May 21st and consider voting to make your voice heard. Every vote counts.